Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamaica Kana. Not corner, Kana. Yes, you got it right. Today I bring you a poem. It's in the form of a song. This poem was written by Evan Jones. It's known as the Song of the Banana Man. I hope you'll enjoy. Here we go. Tourist white man wipe his face. Met me in the Golden Grove marketplace. Him look at me old clothes brown with stain and soak right through with the Portland rain. Him cast me like turn up in my nose. He says, you are a begging man, I suppose. He says, boy, get some occupation. Be of some value to your nation. I said, my God, beg you hold me right hand. White man gonna get some lick from Banana Man. Me say, up in the hills where the streams are cool. Mullet and Janga swimming at the pool. Me have 10 acres of mountainside and a dainty foot donkey that I ride. 4 ghost bitches and 4 like a tan. Some coconut trees and some hills of yam. And I passed at that very same land. 5 she-goat and a big black ram. Me left me yard early morning time. Set me foot to the mountain climb. Bend me back to the hot sun tall. While me cutlass bring up on the stone soil. Pulling a weed in, digging and plantain. Till master sun drop behind the Janko mountain. And home again in this cool evening time. Perhaps whistling this little rhyme. Praise God and this big right hand. This is the property of the Banana Man. Mr. Banana Day is my special day. Me cut me stem and me on me way. Load up the donkey, me left the land. Hi boy, down the hill to Banana Stand. When the truck come round, me take a ride. All the way down to the harbor side. And that is the night when you tourist man want to change your place with this Banana Man. Me say the day is calm and the moon is bright. The hills look black and the sky is light. Down on the dock is an English ship, resting up after her ocean trip. While on the pier is a monstrous hustle. Tallyman carry them all in a bustle. Stem on them head like a long black snake. Some singing the song Banana Man make like praise God on this big right hand. I live and die a Banana Man. Then the payment come while we have some fun. Me, Zeke, brother, and Duppy son. Down at the Bardian United Wharf. Knock back a white rum, bust a laugh. Then me pop me back for future toil with saltfish, breadfruit, coconut, oil. Then head back home and me yard to sleep. A proper sleep that is long and deep. Yes, praise God on this big right hand. I live and die a Banana Man. So when you see me all clothes brown with stain, and so quite through with the Portland rain, don't cast your eye and turn your long nose. Don't judge a man by his patched clothes, because I'm a strong man, I'm a proud man, I'm a free man, me free as the mountain, me free as the sea. Me know myself and me know me way, and me sing me pride till the end of me day. Praise God on this big right hand, I live and die a Banana Man. Day-o, day-o, daylight come and me want go home. That was just a brother. Hope you enjoyed.